Hey there, it's Tori, and today I have a quick, healthy snack idea just for you. No-bake energy balls. Whether you're looking for a pre-workout energizer, a take-to-work snack, an after-school bite for your children, or just a tasty treat, energy balls are an easy and totally delicious option to say yes to. Energy balls are so simple to make. There's no cooking or baking required. Plus, they can be made with a couple of basic kitchen staples that you probably already have on hand. So no special trip to the grocery store to get supplies is needed either. And that's a total win. With this simple formula, you can make your own tasty energy balls with whatever ingredients you have on hand that fit into the categories. Here's my simple mix and match formula for creating no-bake energy balls. 1/2 cup of dried fruit like pitted dates, dried apricots, dried cranberries, or dried cherries. 1/2 cup of nut butter like peanut or almond butter. 1/2 cup of oats. 3 tablespoons of your favorite nuts or seeds, finely chopped. And 2 tablespoons of delicious mix-ins like cacao nibs, goji berries, unsweetened coconut shreds, or dark chocolate chips. You can split up each category. So for example, if you want to use both goji berries and cacao nibs, use just 1 tablespoon each. And keep in mind that if you use a nut butter with a very thin consistency, you may need to use less. Today in my kitchen, I'm using my mix and match formula to make no-bake energy balls that are flavored peanut butter and dark chocolate. It's gonna be so delicious. Let's get the ball rolling. First, gather your ingredients. These peanut butter and dark chocolate energy balls use 1/2 cup of pitted dates, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped peanuts, and 2 tablespoons of mini dark chocolate chips, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Start by adding the pitted dates, peanut butter, and oats into a food processor. Pulse until they are thoroughly combined, stirring as needed. Transfer this to a bowl and add in the chopped peanuts, chia seeds, and dark chocolate chips. Stir to combine. Once ready, roll into 1-inch round balls. This recipe makes about 12 energy balls, and I'll keep them in the refrigerator until I'm ready to eat them. The ball is in your court now. Will you say yes to this fun, fresh food idea? Have you tried energy balls before? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment. And be sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss my healthy tips, recipe ideas, and nutrition solutions. Thank you for watching. I hope you have an energized day. I'll see you back here soon. Bye-bye.